Hey, if you own a Kia or a Hyundai, beware, because you got motherfuckers trying to steal your car, G. What's good with y'all, man? Hey, if you own a Kia or a Hyundai, beware, because you got motherfuckers trying to steal your car, G. I swear to God, it's crazy because I literally just heard about this not even 5 minutes ago. I was on YouTube, not YouTube, I was on Facebook, and people were breaking in the Kia Hyundais by just using the USB. By using something like this, G. I'm gonna show y'all. They're using this to break into your car and to start that motherfucker. What? You're smart as hell, dog. That shit is crazy, bro. But man, let's get right to the video though.
Just to, rub it in my face probably.
Damn.
They left this on here. I'm not really sure
Put the duct tape on that hole.
what this was for.
Cleo,
They tore apart my
car about messy as fuck.
steering wheel lock. Kias are manufactured so that you can actually hotwire a Kia with an iPhone charger. So we love that.
Nah, bro, cause it's crazy. Like, just imagine you ain't even know nothing about this, bro. You wake up. You wake up, right? Have you a nice day. Brush your teeth, get in the shower, do your push-ups, do whatever. You got a nice little date today. Get on snazzy. Get your keys, get you ready to go outside, close the door, lock the door to the house. Turn your head. Your car not there. What is you really gonna do, bro? You couldn't do nothing but call the police, bro. You couldn't literally do nothing but call the police.
Basically flipped my shit into a trap house. They had a really, really great time in here, actually. And they also left me with a really nice present on my car. Looks like they might have gotten into a little tussle on the road. And I'm not quite sure what that is. And everything is stolen. See you at the next haul.
Where I'm at in Chicago, and
Damn, my baby. That's steep.
Milwaukee area, there is a pandemic going on. There is a gang of car thieves called the Kia Boys, similar to New Jersey Drive, that's forced the whole city to buy these.
Oh, New Jersey Drive. I seen y'all know New Jersey Drive, that movie where they hijacking cars and shit.
Okay? And what they do with these Hyundais and these Kias is they peel your steering column. They literally put a phone charger in here, like that, and it overrides the chip in the key. And watch this shit.
Niggas is smart.
Ready? Okay, that gave me ACC.
How do you come up
Ready?
with how
Fire in the hole.
how do you even come up with shit like this, G?
No problem. No security light, nothing.
Nah, how do you even come up? How do people even come up with stuff like this, bro? Do y'all just be trying stuff? Ooh, a USB can start up a car, G. Nah, it's a trend and everybody do it on TikTok, man. Don't be a follower, man. Be a leader, G.